Bullymake subscription box. This is a subscription box for dogs that love to chew. They send this to me for review each month. I am way behind. I do not have a dog. I do either give these bags to my friends or I donate to the ARL, depending on whether I open it or not for pictures. We are going to do September, October, and November's boxes. Super cute box, $39 a month. The toys are guaranteed for 14 days after you receive them. If your dog rips them up and chews them up, they'll send you a new one. All of the snacks are grain-free and stuff like, they're just great for dogs with sensitivities. There is a $5 off coupon code. I'll put that down below. I will link to my full review on my blog as well as linking to Bullymake. All right, I think that's everything. I don't know what's in these, so I think I want to start with September. We're going to see how it goes. All right, it worked out well. All right, this is the September Bullymake box. The inside packaging always matches the treats and toys. I think it's really cool. So this is going to have like a Wild West theme, like a desert kind of, and then the featured toys are on the back. So first up we have, these are Bullymake bacon badges. This is a bacon flavored treat that I'm guessing looks like a badge. They smell like bacon, smoky. And there they are, little stars. Super cute, right? Our first toy is a rubber one for the month. This is all sourced and created here in the United States, 100% pure rubber. They do have a little spot to put a treat in there. And this is a covered wagon. I think that's super cute. And it does say Bullymake on it. I think that's a cool treat. Toy, not treat. All right, next up we have the Bullymake snake bites. So there's that. These look like snakes. Oh, they're just like little little sticks. This has chickpea flour, peanuts. Oh, it's like a peanut flavored pork gelatin, potato flour, all like natural ingredients. In the back of the package has serving sizes, the ingredient analysis, and like full ingredients anyway. There, that's what I meant. All right, our last treat for the month is Saloon Snackers. These are beef mixed with rosemary extract and some other ingredients. Let's see. Oh, they're not shaped like anything. They're just little, they look like beef jerkies. Funny. All right, and then our other toy, which is our nylon toy, is this cactus. So this has little nubs on it for your dog to chew, give them lots of interest and things like that. So you can expect to see this in every box. 5 items, 3 treats, 2 toys, 1 rubber, 1 nylon. Themed out and all that good stuff. Now, if your dog really likes something and you're a subscriber, you can go back on their website and buy more, FYI. So that's the September box. We're going to move along to the October Halloween box. Which is right here. I think this is super cute. I don't think it's opened yet. What the heck? All right. Skip and Scamper, unbox the happy. Oh, they have a cat one. What? I need to reach out and see if they'll send me that. Oh my gosh. All right. I'm excited to try that out. All right, so this is the October Bullymake. Inside, as you guys know, I have cats. I have a new cat too. Have I introduced him on my channel yet? I don't know. So first up we have, this says it's a sugar skull, a candy skull. Oh, no. It's a zombie head. This is the rubber toy. It does have a treat hole here. But it does have like all these, I can't think of the word. These are all like textured so that your dog can chew on them. And by the way, I gave these to my neighbor. They still have ones from like 2 years ago and they have a lab who loves to chew. So these are durable. Then we have the watermelon bites. Are these made with watermelon? No, I don't see any. Maybe they're just shaped like watermelon. Let's see. Yeah, they're just shaped like watermelons. There's that. I thought that was like, wow, that would be cool, but no. There is duck and turkey in there though, so not for watermelon. All right, then we have the gold medals. I'm not going to open these because I do want to donate some. I don't think anybody needs that many treats. These are peanuts. What else is in here? Chickpea flour, potato flour, pork gelatin, potato starch, soy lecithin, blah, 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 blah. So there is that. Then we have the Bullymake candy corn. Oh, I want to see those. These are made with chicken, bacon fat, and just stuff, other stuff. That's not flavor stuff. Ooh. Here they are, little candy corns. Picture cute. And then our final toy is the candy skull, the sugar skull. These, you guys know I love me some sugar skulls. These are super cute for Dia de los Muertos. So that is our nylon toy for the month. So again, 2 toys, 1 rubber, 1 nylon, and then 3 treats. The treats are either 4.5 ounces or they're used sometimes 3.5 ounces too, I believe, but mostly 4 and 4.5. All right, so this should be the November box unless I'm really behind. I don't think I am though. I couldn't be that far behind. We'll see when I open it. Oh. This is the August box, sorry. Anyway, that means I'll be getting a November box soon. All right, thanks for ordering your Bullymake box. Remember, you can always recustomize your order, swap toy types at any time in the My Account section of your website. So that's really cool. It's good to know, right? This is the August box, which looks like it's going to have like a beach theme. All right, so first is, ooh, this is from Healthy Dogma. This is a treat not from Bullymake, which is very rare, but they do it occasionally. This is a bacon and cheese hearts. Grain-free dog treat. So there's that. They're little heart-shaped treats. Cute. Then we have from Fruitables, PB and Joy, natural protein packed dog treats. Real peanut butter and banana treats. Oh, isn't that cool? Oh, I like that. Sounds yummy. I wonder if I could eat them. And then there is a treat from Bullymake. This is the Bullymake Fishies. This is made with, is there fish in it? Dried honey, lactic acid, turmeric, rosemary, pea starch, pea protein. Nope, there's no fish in the fishy treats, but I guess they're shaped like fish, right? Anyway, all right, so our toys, one, we have this little rubber puffer fish, which is super cute, and all those little nubs all over it will are good for the dog's gums, which is very cool. And then you do have a hole for the treats. And then we have this King Triton, what's it called? A Trident, which is our nylon. So that's a super cute box. I like that theme. It's actually really fun and different. They've never done anything like that. I do love the color too, the blue and the yellow together. It reminds me of Nemo, right? All right, so again, our third box, 2 treats, 1 rubber, 1 nylon, and 3 treats. No, I should have said 2 toys, 1 rubber, 1 nylon. So the Bullymake treats, these heart-shaped treats, and then the PB and Joy treats. Anyway, that's 3 months of Bullymake. If you're interested in seeing the reviews, I'll link to those below. I'll also link to Bullymake so you can check them out if you so desire. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.